Psycho, this is prepare for departure. Put your mask on first. Please make sure your seatbelt is fastened, seat back is upright.
Oh, hey. Again, how fake did that look? So here I am. Just touched down in... What is the name of this place? I'm in Niantic, Connecticut. In a little inn, a little bed and breakfast. And we'll take you on a quick tour of the harbor real quick. Kind of an eventless travel day. But that's the way we like them sometimes. Cute room. I'm going to take some photos here. In fact, I'll share the photos next. So I've got no excuse not to capture sunrise tomorrow. The sun is setting behind the inn. So the sun rises over here. Got a marina with boats. It's a nice cloudy sky out tonight. And safe to say we're going to start out tomorrow's vlog with a nice sunrise shot. At least that's the plan. Today was basically a day of travel. Probably didn't talk too much. Maybe I shared some of the sounds of travel, I hope. Yeah. I'm looking forward to another 2 weeks of travel. This time we're in New England. I'm starting out in Niantic, I believe right now. Niantic. Near Mystic. I'm in Connecticut, basically. Connecticut, Rhode Island, then Massachusetts, New Hampshire, Maine, Vermont, a little bit of New York before I go back to Florida. So, welcome to Season 5.
Well, as the sun started to dip behind the sailboats in the Niantic Harbor, was trying to wrap up a quiet but meaningful travel day. I took a route from White Plains or the Westchester Airport up to this area. Brought me through some postcard-worthy towns, small towns, each with its own rhythm, charm, and of course stories waiting to be discovered. What I'd like to do quickly is just introduce this season. This is going to be season 5, taking place up in this New England area here. Over the next few videos, we're going to be basically taking a nice coastal route through Mystic, Newport, Rhode Island, out to Yarmouth in Massachusetts, before heading up through Portsmouth, New Hampshire, way up into Maine, Camden in that area, and then passing through Conway into the White Mountain National Forest area. And then I headed down into Manchester, Vermont, before making my way through the Berkshires, down through the Catskills, into the Hudson Valley, eventually to Nyack, New York, and then flying out, of course, finishing up the season. Did a lot of driving here today. Figured I'd end this one right now. It's going to be a bit short. Going to have a long day tomorrow. A little bit about Niantic first. There's a peaceful energy in the salt air, a favorite spot for beachgoers and book lovers alike. Niantic is home to the only book barn in the U.S. that spans multiple buildings. I'm obviously reaching out to a little bit of AI here to help me flavor this end of this video here, this rather short video. Tomorrow I head up into Mystic. Mystic Seaport is one of the nation's premier maritime museums and was the setting for the 1988 film Mystic Pizza. And yes, you can still get a slice. Again, I did a lot of driving today, so here's to the quiet roads, harbor sunsets, and unexpected moments. I'll see you in the next episode in Mystic. Thanks for joining me.